I think it used to be BLM land. You see these little washes here? Whenever you have a rainstorm, you have to be careful because they come up really fast. And you don't know how deep it is or whether the road gets washed out underneath the water. So you shouldn't go across them. They come up quickly and they go down. This is another big empty space. I like it. This is the sand dunes. I don't know if you can see it with my camera. And over here you have some interesting features. They're cinder cone domes. These are lava. And they basically spew out just cinders. It's a whole series of them there, a cluster of them in this area over here. Look at that wall of lava there. Looks like it just come chugging down through the mountains there. And it just stopped. Wonder what would happen if they had a modern day eruption of something like that. Joshua trees. Look how the road. Now here's another flow here that's older. You can see how it's started to erode. There's flora on it. So there's been several flows. This is home of the desert tortoise, the tarantula, and the Joshua tree. Looks like I'm coming up on the Joshua tree forest. Yeah, that's the sand dunes area. The wind seems to be dying down a little bit, but it's still cranking. Last night, it would come in gust, just strong gust. Then it would die down, then it'd gust again. People's tent. Yeah, this is it. These trees got some kind of peapod on them. Here's the old post office. Kelso. Send my mail to the Kelso jail. This is where they put drunks in. From the 1940s to 1985, this two-cell strap steel jail was used to confine drunks and other unruly individuals for a night or two. "600 feet high." These are usually pretty long trains. This is where they come ripping down here and have to climb SEMA Dome. Right, I'm going to the sand dunes. I-40 is 18 miles. That's where all this traffic's coming from. So the road from I-40 looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's the one that goes to Baker this side, bad shape. Never mind, I'm going to the sand dunes to camp out. Alright. That's the sand dunes parking area, visitation trails. But I'm going to camp out. And from what I understand, it's right up here where there's a fire ring. You can camp. I see some cars up here, so looks like it might be the place. Alright, these are the Kelso sand dunes. And this is where I'm camping tonight. It's a freebie. Several of the campers out here, including an RV, which I hope he doesn't crank up that damn generator. Boy, it's nice out here. I'm hoping it'll be quiet tonight.